Hey there, struggling with your TV remote control? Today we're diving into how to fix remote control TV Google Chrome G9G9 issues. Whether it's unresponsive buttons, connection problems, or syncing failures, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve these common issues. Step 1. Check the batteries. The first and simplest step in fixing a remote control issue is to check the batteries. Open the battery compartment of your remote control and confirm they're properly seated. If you haven't changed them in a while, swap out the old batteries for fresh ones to ensure they're not the source of the problem. Step 2. Inspect for obstructions. Sometimes the remote might not work properly due to obstructions between the remote and the TV's sensor. Check for any objects like decoration items, dust, or grime on the TV screen that might block the signal. Ensure there is a clear line of sight from the remote to the TV. Step 3. Reestablish pairing. If your Google Chrome G9G9 remote control isn't connected properly, you may need to repair it with your TV. To do this, press the pairing button, often located inside the battery compartment or on the back of the remote. Simultaneously press the pairing button on your TV or follow the on-screen instructions for pairing through the TV's settings menu. This should help in syncing the remote back to your TV for optimal performance. Step 4. Update your TV and remote software. Software glitches can often lead to connectivity issues. Navigate to the settings menu on your television and ensure that both your TV's firmware and your Google Chrome G9G9 remote control software are up to date with the latest versions. Check for updates under Device Settings or a similar section in your menu. Regular updates are crucial for maintaining compatibility and performance. Step 5. Clean your remote. Dirt and grime buildup can interfere with your remote's buttons, causing them to stick or become unresponsive. With the batteries removed, use a soft, dry cloth to wipe down the exterior of the remote. For a deeper clean, use a slightly damp cloth with mild dish soap to gently clean around the button. Make sure no moisture enters the battery compartment or other openings. Step 6. Reset the remote. If all else fails, a full reset of your remote control might be necessary. To reset, remove the batteries and press every button on the remote at least once to discharge any remaining power. Then, reinsert the batteries and try using your remote with the TV again. Fixing your remote control TV Google Chrome G9G9 can often be accomplished with some simple troubleshooting steps. Whether it's checking the batteries, removing obstructions, re-establishing pairing, or updating the software, these methods will get your remote back in working condition. Don't forget the importance of regular cleaning and resets to maintain its optimal performance. Remember, always prioritize safety when cleaning or handling electronic devices, and don't hesitate to reach out to the manufacturer if issues persist. By following the outlined steps, you can ensure a seamless TV viewing experience without the hassle of remote control issues. Enjoy your tech and happy viewing.